Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we're in Waikiki at the Club Wyndham Beach Walk on Lure Street. And we just checked in. We're in a 1-bedroom timeshare. And Joan's going to give you the quick tour.
Aloha.
Aloha.
We are in room 425. You said 1 bedroom. It's just the two of us. We usually get at least a 2-bedroom, or so this is our first time really for just a 1-bedroom. It's just right. So when you first walk in, of course, here's the kitchen area. Everything you need. We did go buy food, so here is it is a Cuisinart coffee pot. So everyone wants to know, and they do give you grounds. You need more. And then we have to have our salt and pepper condiments. And they give you all that. We have a blender and a rice cooker, knives and toaster. And of course, as you all know, all the amenities you need. Cups and saucers. Microwave. Stuff up there, I know what we need. Cups. So, you know, everything you need. They just cleaned it, so the dishwasher is running. And pots and pans down there. Stove, and they give you utensils. As usual, you have everything you need, and they give you the what's it called? Aw, I wanted a smiley one. Just kidding. All right, and then here is the closet. Good size closet.
Side there. Go in, there's a safe.
Oh, and ironing board, hangers, and here's the safe. And that would fit a tablet. Just a tablet. It wouldn't fit too much more. It wouldn't fit a laptop itself, but it will fit a tablet and put your, you know, all your other things that you need, your money, your wallets. Keys, broom and duster, that's our stuff. There's Chris. And then the washer dryer. Top loader, bottom loader, we like that. We do not like the all-in-ones. Those do not work well. And they got the counter and a little dining room table, very nice. And inside the living room here, just basic. It's good size. The TV. And a dresser. And there is the patio, which is not much. It's very small. Very, very small. Just enough room for 1 chair and a table. Very small. And most of these don't have real views for here. You don't get any beach views. Most of it. But that's a parking garage from across the street. We have a view of the pool. So, which is fine. It's only a block away, so away from the beach. That's why we like it. Everything's good. So this is a 1-bedroom. So just the 1 bedroom. It's a good size bedroom. Good size bed. And what we always check for, and we like, plugs on the nightstand, on the lamp. So we always like to have that. And good side dresser, and another dresser area with extra blankets, nightstand, and then this one also has a little patio area. Same thing, very small, same view, pool, very small, but that's okay. These do have locks here, so you'd lock those up there and lock it from here. So, then the bedroom goes straight into the bathroom from the one side. This is the bathroom, the tub. And a toilet. Good size vanity. And a good size shower. our shower heads. So this is the view from coming in from the dining room area. That is the bathroom. So this is it. So yeah, this is where we are. We'll be here for a week.
We'll be posting a lot.
And we'll be posting. Hope you like. Please like and subscribe. Comment. Let us know what you think. And we'll see you later. Bye.